Well, South Jersey did it today. We had a landfalling tropical system. Tropical Storm Fay made landfall just around 5 o'clock today. We now go into double digits for the number of landfalling tropical storms or hurricanes in South Jersey. It was the second earliest landfalling storm on record. And speaking of records, we're on pace for the most active hurricane season on record, breaking 2005. Now, this is what it looked like near the eye. I was in Brigantine when this made landfall just to the north. Doesn't look all that threatening, and really this afternoon was not that threatening. It was the morning with the rain that was the most destructive part of the day, but overall a low impact event by tropical system standards. Here's where it made landfall, just around the Little Egg Harbor Inlet, and more about that Little Egg Harbor Inlet because that Southern Ocean, Northern Atlantic County area is quite the spot for tropical systems. Irene and Sandy made the exact same landfall. That's already crazy in and of itself. But now we have Fay, which made landfall not even 10 miles away. Pretty incredible stuff here in South Jersey. As we look forward into the evening, we still have that tropical storm warning in effect for Atlantic, Burlington, Ocean, as well as Monmouth counties. And then the flash flood watch is over in Cumberland and Cape May counties, as well as Atlantic County too. And these will eventually go away as we go into the evening. So for our storm impacts into our Friday night, we're really just worried about dangerous rip currents, but the sun is going down, so we shouldn't be in the water anyway. That is good news for us. We look at our rainfall totals from the day today. Some incredible amounts here. 4.7 inches in Villas, and there were a lot of 4.5 inch plus readings there. Atlantic City Marina, not too shabby either, 2.60 inches. Now you may be wondering, did we break any rainfall records? Well, if we look at ACY and AC Marina, they had 5 to 7 inches of rain on this date in 1959. So the answer is no. Let's look at our highest gust for today. Strathmere is 53. That was the highest. As we look at our coastal flooding over the next couple of cycles, as we go into the Saturday cycles, we are going to be below flood stage, so that is good news for us. We just escaped flood stage during the Friday p.m. high tides here, so that is good news for us. Let's look at our future radar. Low pressure system is centered right over Monmouth, Middlesex County at 8 p.m. See a couple of showers in our area, but for the most part, we're drying out. It's really the northern half of the state that will have the rain into the overnight hours. And then after midnight, we're just talking about a very balmy, very muggy night. We'll have some fog that develops as well. That fog will burn off by about 9 o'clock or so. And then we have a warm for mid-July standards day. We'll get to around 90 degrees on the mainland, 85 at the shore, but it will be sticky. And then after 3 o'clock, with all the heat and the humidity, we are going to build some strong thunderstorms that could bring damaging wind gusts. Sunday has the same temperatures, but lower dew points. It won't be that bad of a day and a great day to be outside. Here's our mainland 7-day forecast. Looking a lot drier into next week as I looked at the most recent data. So it does look like we'll have a dry week. We'll be above average for most of the days here. Could even have a heat wave by the time we get towards Monday on the mainland. That would be 3 days of 90-degree plus. But look at the shore. I mean, if you are off for the week here, next week is going to be fantastic. We have dry days and comfortable weather. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in today. It means a lot. We are happy that you trust us for your weather here at The Press. You can follow me at social media for more or come back to our website at thepressafac.com/weather.